So, which one's the freezer? Which one's the walk-in cooler? If I go by Ooh. You guys, so what do we got? Low temp, we got what's this? No refrigerant marked on it or nothing. Check that out, guys. Well, that sucks. So, and no refrigerant range on these things. They used to, Oh, so I would guess the bigger unit's going to be the freezer. Or maybe not, the walk-in cooler's bigger. So this might be walk-in cooler. Freezer's pretty small. See, we'll have to see which one has a clock in it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be interesting. You guys know which one's freezer and walk-in cooler? Let's see what this one is. See. So there's no maybe if I Google the model numbers, tell me what the temperature range is that they're setting them up for. Let's look for a defrost clock first. Let's have a look. Well, no defrost clock in this one. Oh, I guess it's gonna be all done by electronics down below. Oh, fun. So, got a freezer that is all frozen up. So, fun. That's gonna be most likely a down below thing then. So, this may be a thermistor. Probably we're not going through a defrost or something downstairs. So, 3-phase units. So, I wonder if there's a freezer or anything in here. We'll have to. Anyways, I guess it really doesn't matter at this point. Just go in the freezer and it's all done but down below. You guys put in the comments whatever you guys think as far as when they're not labeled freezer or this is the big unit. So I'm guessing this one's a cooler. The freezer's pretty small down below. So, but check it out. If I do it how they're situated, the freezer, and this would be the freezer if it's how you walk in the door, because you walk in the door on the left side, so walk-in cooler first and then freezer. So this would be the freezer. So how it is on refrigerant. We're low on refrigerant too. Of course, just because it's all froze up or whatever, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. I'll try to turn on the light. Okay, so here's the pipes going down to the walk-in cooler. So walk-in cooler is first when you walk in the door, and then this is walk-in freezer. So if we follow the pipes around, so the pipes, okay, we're going to be the outside pipe, the one closest to the wall. one closest to the wall, is the big unit. So that's the walk-in cooler, and it might be low on refrigerant too. And this hasn't even run because it might be in defrost. So this is most likely, the big unit is most likely the freezer if we were to go by piping. Because that's the outside pipe. The pipe on the left is the actual freezer box. I don't believe they would cross the pipes, but anything's possible these days. But just go by the pipes. So, all right, let me go down anyhow. It's got to be in defrost. I haven't heard this thing run for 5 or 10, 15 minutes. So, see what's going on. Ice machine condenser. Here's the cleaning too. That's for sure. Not terrible. Oh, can't see through it very well. That's definitely time for washing time. That's for sure. Okay. Oh. Freezer, man. The floor is ice skating rink. Really dangerous. Can't even walk in there without falling down. And you guys got any tricks for that besides wearing golf shoes? I'll tell you. Oh man. Okay. All right. It's hammer time. Wow, man. Look at that ice on that floor. Whew. Like an ice skating rink in here. There's the normal floor. When you stand on this to work, man, it's really dangerous. I'm trying to break this up a bit. Wow. You guys ever had floors this thick with ice? It's like an inch thick or more. Look at that freaking. Holy smokes. So, I guess this has been leaking for a long time. So, look at, I piled all the, I broke all the stuff off the floor. Works real good with the hammer. Use this end, use the flat end, have some duct tape on it, and just tap the, just shatter it. Don't use the claw, and it doesn't work as good with the claw. Use the flat end and just fracture it. The floor is so smooth it'll just slide right off it. I got pretty good pile. I have to put that in a bucket in a minute. But at least I can put a rug down here and put my ladder up, and it'll be a little bit safer because I got to defrost all that. Fun. What a mess. Oh. Yeah. Check that out. Wow, this place is like a freaking ice skating rink in here. And I got non-slip shoes. They ain't working for squat on this floor. You guys got any ideas? Man, I'm like, this is not safe. So, I gotta check this out. See what's up here. Shut the power off to this thing. I want to throw it in the defrost first. did check the cord. The drain wire, the heater wire is warm. It is heating. I'll check the amps, but it's physically a little tiny bit warm. So I don't believe there's, I think it just must have just froze over. It didn't defrost right, froze the drain over. So that's just what is happening. So any of you guys, I don't work on these ones all the time. This is a new system, new client to me. Old client, but a new place. So this is new to me. So I'll have to check this thing out and see what's new. Clients are always fun, or new job sites. Yeah, baby. I tell you, this is a lot safer to walk on, man. Buy yourself some moving blankets, guys, for walking in the freezer if it's slippery. Man, this is a lot safer, I'll tell you. So guys, you ain't gonna believe this one. I found out what's going on. Visual inspection will tell you what's wrong. See if you guys catch it. I'll move this tag out of the way. And let's see if you guys can catch what is wrong. Huh, what's that? What's that blackish stuff that's around there? And what's that? I think that's a pan heater that is discombobulated / no longer connecto. Burned metal, like chopped it right off or something. Like, that's not a cool deal. Something was smashed. Look at that, man. Where the heating element was like smashed. That's the difference between like techs and installers, man. Jeez, guys, like you couldn't see that one coming. So this thing's gonna need a part. Look at the ice in that friggin' pan. So we need a pan heater. That's it for tonight on this one. No use even messing with this thing. It's gonna freeze up again tomorrow. I need a new part. So, I need a model number off this baby. Russell. Hopefully we got, let me see if I can flip this thing. I wonder, does this flip? Does it flip or? I thought I seen Dave like flip the video when you're videoing. I wonder why it doesn't flip. Okay, well, I guess it you can't flip it while you're videoing. I thought I seen Dave do that. Huh. Okay. Well, here we go. We got blocked. I'm gonna have to get some light on this thing. I need a front light on this freaking camera. See if this will help. See if we can get some light back here. Can we get a model number, boys? Oh, I need it. Not inside out model number either. Well, that sucks. Check my settings. Thought I could flip. You see that wire right there? Supposed to be connected to this thing right here. I don't want to touch it, but you can see the black up there on the circuit board. That's that wire that's kind of blue on the inside or whatever. I don't want to touch it because everything's running and live and everything's powered. But it's supposed to be like that wire. See how this one right here is connected and that one is not? It's broken off, burned off, blew off. That's what melts the water in here, and that's why your drain's just blocked up with ice in here. So I need to order a new pan heating element and put that in, and no use defrosting or anything right now or anything because it'll just freeze all over again because there's nothing to defrost it. So need to buy a new heating element. Then I can turn it off and melt all this ice, let the water go down the drain, and then replace that element. So I'll try to get that part tomorrow and order it in ASAP. Okay, let me see this. See if